Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Rednote account. So if you also want to update Rednote account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you'll be able to update the Rednote account by simply updating the Rednote application. So in order to update the Rednote account, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Rednote. Now you'll be able to find the application for Rednote over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated. And after your application is updated, your Rednote account will automatically be updated and you'll be able to use the new features and benefits. So that is how you update Rednote account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.